Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel to get latest videos updates. Today I talk about amazing benefits and uses of jasmine essential oil. Jasmine oil is a favorite in aromatherapy for several reasons. You can use this oil to improve your mood and your skin, or simply just enjoy the sweet floral fragrance it adds to your surroundings. Jasmine oil benefits. Jasmine oil is a popular home remedy believed to have a number of health benefits. Antidepressant. Jasmine oil aromatherapy can effectively reduce depressive symptoms, may research shown that. These included significant increases in blood oxygen saturation, breathing rate, and blood pressure. Jasmine oil could be useful for relieving depression and improving mood. You can reap the mental benefits of jasmine oil aromatherapy by using it in massage oil or in a diffuser, or by inhaling it directly from the bottle. Some user of jasmine oil feeling more positive, energetic, and romantic. Antiseptic. Jasmine oil antiseptic effects have been extensively studied and found to fight various bacteria. A study shown that the oil showed antimicrobial activity against several oral microorganisms, including E. coli, L. casei, and S. mutans. It also worked as an antimicrobial agent against all strains of Candida, the bacteria that causes oral thrush. Jasmine oil may be effective in treating and preventing infections when diluted and applied to the skin or used as a rinse for oral infections such as oral thrush. Aphrodisiac. Jasmine's romantic scent has long been believed to have an aphrodisiac effect. It's been worn as a fragrance bedroom to set the mood for romance. There is little scientific evidence to back its effects as an aphrodisiac. Do you know that inhaling jasmine or using it in aromatherapy masses improves mood and has been reported to increase romantic and positive feelings as well as energy levels? If you are hoping to spice things up in the bedroom with jasmine oil, try dabbing some of the oil on your neck. Your body heat will enhance the scent. You can also add a few drops on bedding to a warm bath or to a diffuser in the bedroom. Antispasmodic. Jasmine is used as a home remedy to treat spasms in various parts of the body, from cramp producing stomach spasms to spasmodic cough. Jasmine oil's ability to reduce spasms. One study did find it effective in reducing labor pain when diluted and used for massage muscles certainly won't hurt and may provide some relief from spasm. Cicatrizant. Jasmine oil may have a cicatrizing effect and promote wound healing through the formation of scar tissue. We know that jasmine oil has antiseptic properties that are beneficial in treating skin infections. Jasmine oil also has anti-inflammatory properties and can be useful in general skin care and the treatment of cirrhosis. Applying diluted jasmine oil to minor wounds such as small scratches and cuts may help them heal faster. Decrease menopause symptoms. Essential oils for menopause relief are not new. They have been used for years to treat symptoms of menopause, such as hot flushes and depression. If you are looking for natural ways to reduce symptoms of menopause, regular aromatherapy masses using the same combination of essential oils may help. The masses are performed using a combination of essential oils of jasmine, lavender rose, and rose geranium in a carrier oil. Galactogogues. Galactagogues are herbal or synthetic substances that may promote lactation. The jasmine flower is a popular home remedy believed to improve lactation. Some experts believe that the brain effects of jasmine inhalation may be connected to hormonal changes that result in increased lactations. Sedative. While some evidence has confirmed that jasmine oil can increase alertness and energy levels, evidence also shows that it can have a calming effect. Jasmine essential oil appears to significantly bring down the elevated state of mind and improve symptoms such as insomnia, palpitations, and irritability. People with generalized anxiety disorder are asked to inhale jasmine essential oil for 5 minutes a day over 10 days. How to use jasmine oil? In a diffuser, inhale directly from the bottle, add it to a bowl of hot water to create aromatic steam. Diluted in a carrier oil and added to a warm bath. Mixed with a carrier oil such as almond oil and applied topically or as a massage oil. There are a number of ways to use jasmine oil and other essential oil. How you use them depends on how the oil has been dispensed. Jasmine oil is generally considered safe and non-irritating, and reports of skin irritation are very rare. If you are pregnant or nursing or have a history of severe allergic reactions, speak to a doctor before using any essential oil. If you need any reported branded essential oils, please visit our Amazon store link in the description box. To continue watching more videos on this topic, more videos link in the description box which I covered, and if find not enough, please mentioning me on the comment. I will make videos for you.